Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to move the goalkeeper in EA Sports FC 25. Let's get started. So the first way to move your goalkeeper is when the ball is near at your goal. Then on PlayStation, hold triangle. On Xbox, hold Y. Your goalkeeper will rush off the line in the straight line toward the ball. This helps put pressure on the opponent and forces them to make a quicker or potentially bad decision. The second way is manually adjustment. Use the right analog stick on your controller, PlayStation or Xbox to move the goalkeeper in any direction. This is especially helpful when defending free kicks or adjusting your goalkeeper positions to cover more of the goal. You can also use both techniques together to control your goalkeeper effectiveness. Rush him towards the attacker while fine-tuning his position manually to reduce the chance of conceding a goal. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.